Hey Petty Fam, I'm doing the QUEENNAIJA live with Yandy. Let's get into it.
Like, fluently. Oh, shoot.
You doing good, girl. That's good. That's playing. That is good, y'all. You see CJ back there?
I was just really into it.
You did good, Queen.
Huh? Maybe. Play the Office song. I don't know that song. I don't know the Office song. And you got oh no, that's the Orange is the New Black. Sorry, y'all. I'm alive, okay? Make sure y'all go get y'all some Yale skincare. Look, Yandy. Make sure y'all go get y'all Yale skincare. Okay?
Put the ad in. I like her hat, her outfit.
Make sure y'all go get y'all Yale. Look, you look all hot, mama.
Today I could be alright, because normally when you be in this house, I'll be looking hit.
You be looking good.
She lying. We be hit in this house. Oh, you look cute too.
This girl's the
You got cute to come over. No, you got cute to come over.
You got cute to come on.
We be busted in this house. You hear me? Busted.
We be looking good.
My main man is in the building. My main man. You gonna put water on the piano, my main man?
Oh, yeah, you shouldn't do that. See, that take
My
it
main
off.
man. You wanna fight my main man? You.
Well, what I do without your smart mouth, showing me in and you kicking me out. Huh? He don't have his car. I forgot to bring him. I'm sorry, but we're 20 minutes away.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, we live just have a hook.
Right, 20 minutes is not far.
20 minutes is far. Okay, you try.
Wait till CJ get his license.
Show him your pocket so he can see it. Go get it. Oh, y'all gotta go to the car. See me, go with the car to the car.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Try me.
What are you singing?
I don't know. I was trying to play this, but I wish I could play fluently. Like
I know.
I don't know how to move my fingers like how they really
You
do it.
doing
American
good.
teacher.
You look good. Where did you come from?
I was booked. Remember I told you I had a booking today? I learned how to speak an engagement.
Oh, did you see I sent the message?
I didn't
She
say
said she was
I have
gonna
it on
take
my
care of
phone.
it.
Take care of
She
it.
said she'll get everything. Swear to God.
Good.
So hopefully I'm just waiting on her to give me a way to pay
Okay.
so that I can know I got it.
Yeah. Y'all ready? This little lady got some new things coming in.
Yeah, I got some stuff.
Y'all ready?
Not
Are
well,
y'all
music,
ready?
but not I'm not talking about music, but
You know, it's all about diversifying your portfolio. So she's
Excuse me, Queen. Go on, diversify your portfolio then. Okay.
not just a music artist.
I'm gonna be a businesswoman.
She's going to be a business.
You are a businesswoman,
Products for
girl.
you.
Already.
Get ready. Okay,
Amen.
it's coming.
We ready.
That's a red bottom hat. What would I do without your smart mouth? Why is that song in my head? Legend. Got my head spinning, no kidding. for the fame. Some people live for the power.
Say, Queen.
Yeah.
They getting a concert and they going on with their life. No, I'll be all up under the piano like, oh my goodness.
Some people live just for fame. Some people think that the physical things define what we did, and I've been there before. That life's a horror, superficial. Some people, I ain't gonna do it.
Do it.
Melly.
Do it.
What's Mick mean? Somebody said, would you ever join Real Housewives? I'm not right. Not yet.
Right.
I don't wanna be me. Oh, how do I warm up before shows? Alright, this is how I'm gonna be warming up before shows. So I go na-ni, 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 noo, na.
CJ helping his mama warm up.
Nani, 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 noo. Nani, 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 noo. Nani, 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 noo. Nani, 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 noo.
Little Yandy helping too.
Nani, 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 noo. Nani, 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 noo. Nani, nani, nani. Now it's Beat Easy. Be an easy, nani, noo. Nani, nani. Be an easy, nani, noo. Be an easy. I love you. You're so cute. I love kids. So cute. Did you go to school?
Not today.
Oh, no, not today. You went to school last week, right? Was it fun?
Yeah. The last day of school, I put oil and glitter on my hands. The glitter was the germs, and the oil was to make it stick.
Oh.
Oh, that's a good lesson for them.
So you want the germs, the glitter germs to stick to the oil.
And then we will see which one is better, sanitizer or water.
Oh, I think water is better, don't you think?
Yeah, your hair is not live ready.
Yeah, I think water and soap is better. She looks
Hair's
cute.
not live ready.
I think water and soap is better than sanitizer. Yes, she
Gotta do her hair. What are you talking about?
did.
Go wash your
She
hands.
was playing. I feel that though.
Hi, y'all. What y'all doing?
There's 8,000 people up on
While we
here.
wait for the stage play to be ready,
Huh?
teach me how to sing a song.
Okay, come on, let's sing the song.
This is
Let's
cool.
teach
me
I
how to
heard
sing
about
something.
this.
What you want to sing?
I don't know. What do we have that's popping? Eating easy.
Something easy. Okay, I'm gonna sing. You repeat after me. Okay, I won't sing like the best. I won't
Please,
sing.
don't
Okay.
sing like, don't do
Sing.
any high notes.
Okay.
Right. Singing with a singer, that is intimidating.
Say, I don't wanna fall so fast.
That's a high note.
That's not a high note.
I don't want
But yeah, they got a alto voice though.
to fall so fast.
I like
This is
it.
important.
I will try.
But I'm open.
But I'm open.
They always say that good things never last.
They always say that good things never last. No, that was wrong. Do it again.
I like Yandy's raspiness.
They say that good things never last.
They always say that good things,
Things,
things.
Yep.
They always say that good things never last.
Yeah. And I know 'cause I've been broken.
Oh my
You can do
God.
that. No, you can do that.
That's a run, girl. That's a run.
It's like, yeah.
can do it.
And I know 'cause I've been broken. And I know 'cause I've been broken.
And I know 'cause I've been broken.
Okay, girl.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
And I know 'cause I've been broken.
Trying to protect my heart.
I can't hit that note.
Trying to. Okay, say.
Trying
Okay, so when's the duet coming? That's what I want to know.
to protect my heart.
Yeah, do it in your key. Trying to protect my heart.
Trying to protect my heart.
But you're making it so hard.
But you're making it so hard. Okay, look at them laughing at me.
I like it. I think she sounds good, y'all. What y'all think? Comment below.
Oh, cute Delore.
They
Don't
say you're
laugh.
doing good. They say, hey, Yandy.
Hey. No, they laughing.
Okay, start from the top.
Yeah.
Come on now, y'all.
Come on. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, bro? How you feeling? Don't worry, we all stinking hot. Hey, how you feeling? He came to beat my son. Back.
Hey, brother. Hold on, wait a minute. Not my filter. Did my filter leave? Okay, no, it didn't, because I didn't need it to. Because I needed to.
Aw.
And I know because I've been broken. We playing basketball and eating 10 lizards. Who won?
Mom, you play spades?
Yeah, I can stay.
You know how to play?
Yeah, I get like that.
Man, I always seen.
I definitely get like that after playing a while.
Keep playing this in the back. So cute.
No.
What's up, y'all?
I feel like
Hey, Maud.
filter left. It's like, where is it at? You and me, oh, we side. Emily,
I'll play it.
play with mommy. Come on, come play with mommy.
Sing, mommy.
Huh?
Sing.
I sing and you play?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you. Go ahead. I love CJ.
Aw.
He means the world to me. I love CJ. He means the world to me, and I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. My
Aw.
CJ.
Oh, look at him. You hear him?
CJ. Oh, I love you, CJ.
Aw.
Aww.
Cutest.
I'm good.
You wanna sing Mama's Hand with me, please? Ready?
Mama, hey.
Y'all, I'm melting. This is so cute.
Wait, you gonna sing the first words with me? When I first say I want you, I heard your heartbeat too. I
He's singing a song that was made for him.
never knew I could witness an angel so beautiful. The very moment you arrived, I saw something new. I just better
Aww.
to love that was unconditional. It's crazy how he just growing. He was just so little.
CJ is growing, getting tall. It's crazy.
He was so little. I'm sorry, I hurt you. Have a kiss. Boy, you do not look like me. Y'all think he look like me because he don't.
Yes.
That boy do not look like me, bro. I never know. Okay. Body hurt to give you the world. Where's my legend Yeah, CJ don't look like me. That boy,
he do.
he look like his dad. Somebody get Legend. Legend is sneaking out. Oh, okay. Legend sneaking
Hey, Sandra.
out. Legend is sneaking out.
Legend.
Yeah, Clarence. I was, you know, I was winking at my boyfriend.
She's silly.
Actually, I'm about to go watch my boyfriend play basketball. I'm about to go watch my man play basketball. So you know, I get a little butterflies when I watch him play. You know, because he play ball so good.
Number 5.
So, yeah, he really be balling out there. I be looking at him like a whole different person. Like, dang. You could be the basketball player and I could be the cheerleader. Alright, y'all, so peace out.
So she gonna be on Basketball Wives. She trying to tell us she gonna be on Basketball Wives.
While all 10.2K of you guys are on here, I just wanted to say, make sure y'all stream Misunderstood.
Yeah,
it's a real
y'all stream it, please.
dope album. I promise y'all. Like, I'm not just talking.
Look, the more we stream it, the more she's gonna make new music. We're gonna get more music, and maybe we're gonna get the unreleased ones as well. So stream the heck out of that.
Like, I put a lot into there.
And I wrote it all.
And she wrote it all for me. Yep, Yandy wrote everything. And it's just such a dope album, and like I just feel like, you know, more
I agree.
people need to hear it. So yeah. Stream Misunderstood, and go watch my vlog if you guys haven't on YouTube.
Yep.
I'm back on YouTube. You know why I got back on YouTube?
Go watch our reaction to the vlog.
The reason why I got back on YouTube is because I have to go back to the basics. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love.
That's true. You gotta go back to your roots.
Like, I have to stop worrying about like being myself and unapologetically be myself, because I still have a lot of supporters there that miss me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna vlog every day, but I am gonna give you guys the footage of like just the day
Yes. Thank you.
in the life of Queen Naija, because I'm an artist, I'm a mom, I'm a
Right. You are that.
I'm a
All of the above. Those faces. Not those faces.
you know, I'm a lot. I'm every woman. It's all in me. Period.
See, every woman.
I'm every
Oh.
woman. It's all in me.
Sing it, girl. You want some, baby?
Alright guys, well don't worry, if it starts to get too draining for me again, like YouTube, then I will slow down. You know what I'm saying? So I know I took a break, I toned it down. I'm gonna be doing some fun stuff on there, just having girl talks with my friends. Yes, my celebrity friends too.
And girl talk. Okay, we ready.
Don't be acting like y'all can't do a video. Melly.
She calling him out.
All of y'all. Because we're not just singers, we're humans. We have personalities, and we have like, you know, y'all got to see that. Y'all got to see that side. So maybe I should show you guys Clarence playing ball. So hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, buckets, babe. Dang.
Go off. Go off, Claire. Go off. Number
Oh, well, I don't know about that one.
I gotta just get it one.
Nah, I don't know about that. Girl, just act. Just be like, that's okay. So funny. What you doing? You being a ham? You showing off?
Let me take
You
off.
petty, I've been with it steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning 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 steady.
Gonna lie, buddy.
Come on, boo boo.
Oh, you almost had
You
it,
almost
buddy.
had it. Gotta snap that wrist.
What Legend say? Oh, he said higher, CJ.
He opened his brother.
It's just so tall for him. Can he?
That is tall.
He already hit shots? My bad. I'm not gonna enable him. Sorry. You can do it. You can do it, CJ.
Come on, boo boo. You can do it.
Oh, you almost had
He almost had it.
it. Oh man, you almost had it. Jump.
Oh, there he goes. Yay, CJ.
Yeah. Yeah, CJ.
Oh,
Hey.
now that he got, look, now that he got it, he got it.
He just did that. Legend, you want to play ball?
Look, play defense, Legend.
They're like, you put Legend on a trampoline?
Legend. Get him.
You ready?
He stole the ball. He stole the ball from my.
Oh, wait, he about to beat you? Oh, he gonna beat you? Oh, I don't know. You beat Lee and him, but I don't know if you can beat my man.
Legend's getting requests. He put Legend on a trampoline.
Legend, you want to go on a trampoline, Papa? I just don't want him to get hurt.
Is what they won.
I don't want him to get hurt or bit.
Oh.
You think he gonna get bit up? He did? You wanna go on trampoline or you wanna go back, baby? Come on, Dada. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah. Come on, Legend. Get on the trampoline. Come here, Dada. Do a backflip. Never mind, you're gonna. No, it's not. Hold on, y'all. Let me put. All right, just don't. I don't want him to get. So be careful, okay, when you're on there. Unzip it. Go, Legend. Go jump, Papa. Jump. Ready, set, go.
Oh.
Little Mendeeces is 15.
Legend got him a
Ain't you
4-year.
15? You 15, right? Yeah, y'all gotta get off him. He's still young. He's still young. Don't worry. In 3 years, they said follow him. Shout your stuff out. Y'all, he too young for y'all. Only follow just to like the pics. That's it. Don't try.
Right. Y'all, leave this little boy alone. Just like his pigs. Let him be a basketball star. Let him grow up.
Get him. Wait 3 years. Oh, my bad. What'd you say? It's Lee's fault. What'd you say? Oh, you trying to see? Okay, so in 2 years you'll be 18. So are you trying to tell the girls?
Don't be rushing.
No, you being fast. I don't like that.
Don't be rushing, Mendeeces.
Look, people in here talking about something. I'm 15.
You know what?
Yeah, all the joints trying to get on.
Stop. Y'all ain't on Tinder. Leave the baby
I
alone.
said he 15. Leave him alone. Huh? You said don't gas him up. Just wait till you get some facial hair. So he got a little dimple too. Yeah, he got a little mustache here. Yeah, tomorrow after school, mommy take y'all to the park. Legend over there rolling around.
Go to the park right today?
Not today, baby. Dang, you sweating. You need a haircut, boy. Everybody said, what's his at? Tell him your at one more time. Little M-E-N-D-C. Like how they spell your dad's name?
It's L-I-L.
L-I-L-M-E-N-D-C. Lil Mendeeces. That's Lil Mendeeces right there. Somebody said that he almost 20.
These kids writing it down.
Hey, they'll be all right. No, he's not.
No, he's not.
Well, yeah, I don't know how to say my name. In school, there's like, how you say your name?
Wait, honestly, it's Mendeeces, right? Mendeeces with like a S at the end.
I don't like it with the S.
Mendeeces. Mendeeces. Yo, Mendeeces.
He said, I don't like it with the S at the end.
I never heard that name ever. I wonder, is it another one? Yeah.
Every court, right?
Huh? Uh-huh.
Yo, who's playing them?
You're a king. That's what's up.
Mendeeces, you gotta defend your court. Can we just
Y'all hear Lee?
play already? I'm tired of sitting.
No, we taking your court. I'm taking you, whoever you guarding is work. It's getting work.
Ed Pat. I mean, sorry, mine.
Why you need to look baby, Mendeeces?
You know, all the girls was in my they was in my DM saying you was looking good. They was like when you was last night when we was at the thing.
Don't hype him up. Do not hype him up. Look, you see how his whole mood changed.
They was like, is that mine? He look good. A little chocolate drop.
Look at him.
Okay, pull your knee.
Stop. You gotta stop.
Pull your shorts back down.
Yeah, I'm like, it's just me and the shorts get shorter. Oh, goodness.
I could get out this way?
Dang, look at little fun fly guy. Mine is, how old is mine? They want to know how old you are. Mine, how old you are? He grown, that's it.
He said I'm grown.
That's all y'all need to know. He paid bills, that's all you need to know.
I pay bills. I can afford mine and maybe some.
Pay their own, bro, for real, honestly. Don't get no girl
Don't do that to me.
no, you can pay for their dinner, but I'm just saying, though, they need to get you an independent woman. All the women independent, throw your hands up at me. All the honey.
That sounds good, Queen.
Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie 100 and
What? Somebody say I'm independent.
He at least 30. No, he ain't 30, y'all.
You by yourself. You gotta come.
This kid ain't got.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad. Get us to 100K. To like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad.